YouTube, smash that subscribe button. Give your boy a thumbs up and some comments, y'all. Let's go. YouTube! What's up? It's your boy, C-Time. Here again with another one. Hey, today we're gonna do the official check, man. We're gonna check how long my hair got. So let's get to it. Let's get into it real quick, y'all. So this is gonna be a quick video. Right now, I just took the do-rag off, so my hair is a little matted. I'm doing this method called the bag and rag method. So basically, I oil my hair, my scalp, basically, and then I throw leave-in conditioner, throw my plastic shower cap on right here. And then I'll throw a do-rag on over it. Basically, it's just acting as a greenhouse for my hair. It keeps moisture in it, creates condensation, and moisture is flowing through my hair while I'm sleeping. That way my hair don't dry out. So it's my first time doing this method overnight, and my hair is like a little moist right now. It's like damp because it's been sitting in leave-in conditioner and oil. Not a lot of leave-in conditioner, not a lot of oil. I didn't saturate it or anything. It's just the condensation was building and it's been water, keeps my hair wet. So the leave-in conditioner that I've been using is this right here. I don't know if you can see it. As I Am leave-in conditioner, classic. It's my first time using this. Not first time using it, but I've been using it for a while. This is the first bottle I ever bought. It's pretty good. It's better than a lot of leave-in conditioners. It don't leave that little white residue that you have in your hair if you use leave-in conditioner. So this stuff is pretty good. It's like a lotion, a clear lotion, a little bit tint to it, little white tint, but it's pretty good. It don't leave like residue. And then the do-grow oil. I've been using the do-grow oil a long time. I started running out, and then I filled it up with black castor oil. I filled it up with some tea tree oil and the Africa's Best. All that is helping my scalp, so I just use this to moisturize my scalp, and this is easy. I like this because I can get to my scalp easy with this tip. So I just use it for the scalp to moisturize my scalp, and I use the leave-in conditioner to moisturize my hair. Also, when I use the oil, I throw it on my scalp and give myself a scalp massage before I go to bed. So killing two birds with one stone, basically moisturizing and stimulating hair growth by massaging it in. Alright, so this is my official length check, basically, just seeing how long my hair got from the last check. We're gonna go ahead and get into it. So last time I did the length check, it came down like 1/8 of an inch past my bottom eyelid in the front. The back, right on the side, it came down about 1 inch, past my ear. And then in the back, you couldn't really tell because I'm probably like this in the video and I'm pulling it down, it comes to my shoulder. But I don't know, we're gonna check it right now. If you look at my last video, you probably can see and do the calculation how long it's got. I really don't know how long it got. But I made progress with the length. My hair grows slow. And it's hard to keep it moisturized. It don't break much because I do a deep conditioner and I use protein and everything, but it grows slow. That's just how my hair is. My hair grows slow. So this is about 2 months since I did that last video, and usually people grow like 1 inch in 2 months. Usually normal average is like ½ inch a month. So I ain't doing all that. That's not me. So all right, here we go. So with the front, it goes to, can't really tell. Let me check. I got a little video thing here. So it's an 1/8 of an inch. Last time I did this check, it is probably 1/2 inch past it now. I'm getting more past it. Can't really tell, can't see it, but yeah, the way past the eyeball. My camera cut off on me, so I'm gonna do the front again. Like I said, it came probably like a 1/2 inch past the eyeball or eyelid now at the bottom. See it. The sides, let me do this quick because I don't want my camera to cut off again. Past the ear, probably about an inch. Almost 2 inches past the ear now, 1 3/4, 2 inches. In the back, I grab it from up top because of the taper, put my head down so I don't get false length. And then the back, from the back is like this. You know what I'm saying? And then the crown area. It's my long area. Can't really tell, I can't show you that. But the crown area over here. It's like this. You know what I'm saying? So my hair grew all the way around. Let me see, you can check this side as well. My hair is pretty even all the way around. Not too bad. I got a round fro this time. It's not tapered like my last hair journey where my hair was tapered at the sides and then went into a fro. So it's a pretty even fro this time. So I'm happy with it. I have a low porosity here. That's why I am doing this method right here, the bag and rag method. And then just to keep moisture in my hair, because it's hard to get moisture in low porosity hair. They don't hold, well, they don't even go in. They don't hold much. So just overnight, it keeps heat in my hair, so it opens up my hair and allows that moisture to sink in. And then this cold air is coming through, so it's gonna be extra dry. So I gotta try to keep moisture in my hair. After a month or two, we'll come back and we'll see the results for me doing the bag and rag method. So other than that, that's all I wanted to do is give y'all a check of the hair, how long it's been. It's been 2 months. My hair grows slow. A lot of people's hair grows about 1/2 inch a month. My hair grows probably like 1/4 a month, you know what I'm saying? So my hair grows really slow. And you can see the results. So that's why I do videos every 2 months, and you can see the results instead of every month. So until next time, keep throwing, keep going. God bless. Peace.